For the butterfly, we're going to need 2 balloons.
Say that
Fine.
Fine.
What's the signal, dude? Because you keep changing. Okay.
This.
For the butterfly, we're going to need 2 balloons of the same color or opposite colors or different colors or whatever. Blow those up with a good hand's length at the end. And we're going to twist those together and tie them just like that. Notice how I didn't tie them first, I just twisted them. It saved a lot of time. We're going to go down to the tip, stretch them so that they're the same size. We're going to twist off after we squeeze so that they're a little softer. And then we're going to make them about the same size. Perfect. So that we got our nice little pieces here. We then fold this in, give it a twist. That's a very weird looking shape. So we're going to push in. And we're not going to grab right in the center because butterflies aren't the same exact size. We're going to grab more towards one side or the other and give that a little twist. And then once we're done, we pull these first ones up to the top. Shape those up a little bit so they got a nice little thing. Push some air up there. And we have an amazing, wonderful little butterfly for little girly girls.